Dell has unleashed two new powerhouses, the XPS 14 and 16. Powered by the next-gen Intel Core Ultra CPUs with built-in AI processing, they sport the innovative keyboard design from the XPS 13 Plus, and prices that may make you question if they're worth it. Starting with the processor, the Meteor Lake Intel Core Ultra CPU is the next-generation CPU that is inside the new lineup, specifically the Ultra 7155H or Ultra 7165H depending on the model. This next-generation processor offers not only raw power, but also a shift in efficiency and functionality. Integrated within the Meteor Lake chip is a dedicated neural processing unit, aka NPU, a dedicated AI coprocessor, designed to accelerate AI-powered workloads. This means AI tasks such as image generation or audio processing can be done on board on these laptops, instead of relying on remote servers to process the requests. This makes AI-incorporated workflows quicker, providing great value to us video editors when using AI in our workflows. For the displays, the XPS 14 comes in two display options. In Full HD Plus non-touch panel and a 3.2K OLED touch panel. The XPS 16 also has two options which are in Full HD Plus touchscreen and a 4K Plus OLED touchscreen. Both laptops come with three USB Type-C ports with Thunderbolt 4 support, a micro SD card reader, and something some people missed, a headphone jack that wasn't present in the XPS 13 Plus. Moving on to the keyboard, the 14 and 16 adapted the haptic feedback keyboard from the XPS 13 Plus, containing an invisible touchpad and non-physical function keys. This makes the layout simpler and more futuristic, but may put off some consumers. There's also LED function row at the top of the keyboard, similar to Apple Touch Bar on their MacBooks. In terms of graphics, both laptops come with Intel's integrated ARC graphics, but the XPS 14 can be upgraded to a GeForce RTX 4050, and the XPS 16 gets even more serious, with support for up to an RTX 4060 or 4070, making the 14 suitable for a smooth 1080p footage editing experience and light gaming, while the 16 can be suitable for a 4K footage editing experience and a bit more intensive gaming. In terms of RAM, both laptops will start off at 16GB of RAM, and will be upgradable to 64GB. For storage, both will start with a 512GB SSD, and can go up to 4TB. Now for the price, the XPS 14 starts at $1,699, and the XPS 16 starts at $1,899. This is where you have to question if the price is really worth it, as Dell has been jacking up their prices on the XPS lineup recently, and compared to an Asus ZenBook 14 OLED, that includes the Ultra 7155H processor and costs $1,299, the XPS models seem quite expensive. So, is it worth it? Thank you for watching and have a great day.